What's up everyone, it's Winstonee here, and I'm here today to give you guys a tutorial on giving your hair a hot oil treatment. Now, some of the benefits to a hot oil treatment for your hair is for helping to reduce breakage, frizz, and dryness. It also helps to maintain the moisture balance, which keeps your hair soft, and of course, it helps your hair grow. The oil I'll be using today is from Jamaican Mango and Lime's new oil collection, Exotic Jamaican Black Castor Oil. Their oils are powerful, all-purpose soothing oils made from Jamaican castor beans roasted and ground. Some of the oils from this collection include Ungrawawi with citrus spice, which helps to revitalize the skin and repair skin damage. Then you have Zemenia with Dudu Osum oil that helps with anti-aging and also moisturizes and softens skin, as well as help repair brittle nails. And then there's the oil I'll be using today, which is the Mongongo oil with cotton tea. This oil of course helps to repair damaged hair. It also conditions, strengthens, and protects hair from heat, such as blow dryers or heated caps. It's great for all hair types. So the items you'll need for this hot oil treatment is a bowl, an empty bottle to put the oil in, which is optional, and of course the Mongongo oil. Other items you'll also need are a shower cap, a towel, which is optional, a spray bottle with warm water, and a comb or pick. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my oil and an empty bottle, preferably with a pointy tip, and I'm going to pour a good amount of the oil into the bottle. Then I'm going to grab a bowl and fill it up with hot water, either from the stove or by heating it up in the microwave, and set the bottle in it for a few minutes to warm up the oil. In the meantime, while the oil is heating up, I'm going to comb out my hair to get out any knots or tangles that may be in it. Since I have thicker hair, I'm then going to part it and tie it in 4 sections so the oil can be applied thoroughly. After a couple of minutes of heating up the oil in hot water, I'm going to start the treatment one section at a time. I'm going to start by spraying warm water onto my hair to dampen it a little so the oil can really get in it. Then I'm going to apply a very generous amount of oil to my hair, starting with my scalp first and working my way to my ends. You want to especially get your ends because they're the oldest and probably need the most treatment. I'm going to repeat this process for each section. Next, you can leave your hair out if it's not that long, or tie it back in its sections and cover it with the shower cap. I'm covering my hair with the shower cap and putting a towel over it for extra heat. Some people use a heated cap, which is optional. The heat helps your hair to absorb the oil for a more effective treatment. Another option that people do is put a blow dryer on the towel for even more heat. I left the oil on my hair for about 30 to 45 minutes. Some people leave it on even longer or even overnight. It just depends on how deep of a treatment you want. After the time is up, I'm going to wash it out with shampoo and conditioner. And this is the ending result of the oil treatment. Oil treatments are great, especially this time of year when your scalp might get a little dry from the cold. It's great to do it at least once a month. The exotic oil left my hair feeling light and well moisturized. If you haven't done an oil treatment to your hair, then you really should, and I hope this video helps. This video was sponsored by Jamaican Mango and Lime. Jamaican Mango and Lime Exotic Jamaican Black Castor Oil is available at any of your local beauty supply stores. Thanks for watching.